So guys, ganito yung itsura ng product. Meron siyang 3 pairs of eyelashes with different designs. So meron diyang natural, medium, at saka volume lashes. Today, I will try and review this magic eyeliner and eyelashes kit that I bought from Lazada. And grabe talaga guys, super na-excite ako dito sa product na ito dahil dumidikit talaga siya kahit walang magnet, as in dikit na dikit beshi. If you wanna know more about my thoughts on this product and for the giveaway announcement, please keep on watching. So guys, ganito yung itsura ng product. Meron siyang 3 pairs of eyelashes with different designs. So, meron diyang natural, medium, at saka volume lashes. Meron na rin siyang kasamang tweezers at saka eyeliner pen. Guys, ganito yung itsura ng false eyelashes. As you can see, wala kang makikitang magnet. Unlike nung ibang nakikita ko online na merong visible magnet, eto, para lang siyang yung ordinary false eyelashes. Ito yung eyeliner pen. Ang sabi dun sa instructions, kailangan siyang i-shake 5 to 10 times. So, I don't know if you can hear it, pero merong tumutunog sa loob. Tapos ganito yung itsura ng pen niya. Try natin i-apply dito. After applying the eyeliner, it dries quickly. So for me, very good siya kasi hindi na magkakalat yung product. Now, let's put the false eyelashes. Ayan siya, beshies, oh, nakadikit na. So, kahit higitin ko siya, hindi siya kaagad natatanggal. Yan, nakikita nyo ba guys? Ang galing! Dikit na dikit talaga. So, ngayon, check naman natin kung waterproof yung eyeliner. Ayan. So, hindi siya kumakalat. And try natin i-rub. Wala siyang kumakalat. In the next clip, I will show you how I put these magic eyelashes and how it looks like when worn. So that's it. I hope you enjoy watching my video. At dahil 1,000 subscriber na ang ating channel, I will give away one of this magic eyelash kit to one lucky winner. The mechanics for the giveaway are as follows. First, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell for updates on my new upload. Share this video on Facebook with the hashtag MagicLashGiveaway. Leave a comment telling me why you should win this giveaway, and don't forget to include your working email. Like my Facebook page, Hair and Makeup by R. Kennedy. I will leave a link at the description box below. This giveaway is open for Philippines residents only. Good luck everyone, and thank you for watching!